Here I will be looking at the 9-2 homework, but number 2, which is actually a review of solving a system by graphing. So on this one, the first equation is in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to plot the y-intercept at -2. The slope is 2/5, which means I'm going to rise 2, run 5. And remember, we're going to keep doing that so we have exact points. We can also, from the y-intercept, go a double negative, so down 2, left 5. So this is the first line. And then I'm going to graph the second equation, which has a y-intercept at 7. And then I'm going to go down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. And we can see that the point of intersection is 10, 2. Now I believe that's my answer, but we want to make sure we check it. And remember, to check an answer, we take an equation, 2/5 x minus 2. We plug in the x and the y. The y is 2. The x is 10. And we have to simplify the right-hand side here to make sure we get 2. Now 2/5 times 10 is like times 10 over 1. So you could get 20 over 5, which is 4. Otherwise, I can do the 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So I get 4 minus 2, which is in fact 2. So it works in the first equation. In the second equation, I have y equals -1/2 x plus 7. Once again, I plug in 2 for y, -1/2 of 10 plus 7. Again, now we know half of 10 is 5. Another way to think about it is 10 divided by 2 is 5, times -1 is -5, plus 7, and I get 2. So that works as well. So the reason I know my answer is correct is because when I plug that ordered pair back into both equations, they simplified to be equal.